Good day everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I had an idea to do like pineapple nails, and I thought it would be cool to have the top of the nails clear, so I tried to do that with the acrylic, and that was my first time doing that, so I was still learning, but I think it turned out pretty good. And then for the rest of the nails, I just did one solid color. So after I put the base color on the two pineapple nails, I am just going to file the edges and any that I got on the nail tip, and I'm taking some clear acrylic and just using that to finish the rest of the nail. And then once that's done, I'm just going to file, shape, and buff all of the nails, and we can move on to the actual design. So for the design, I'm just going to do the bottom part of the nails in yellow and kind of make it like pineapple shape. And I'm just going to apply 2 coats of that. And then I'm going to go in with a darker yellow and add some of the lines on the pineapple. And then I'm going to take 2 different greens and create the leaves at the top. So that is the design, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!